This is Akash from Abhasa Rehab and Wellness Coimbatore. So I'm working as an HR for past 2.5 years at this organization. During the date of joining, we have been using a different attendance portal, which is only used for an attendance. So later we just thought of thinking like or a new portal edukla, which has to have attendance, payroll, like all the HRMS portal combined. At that time we have been looking for like multiple vendors and we just got Zoho into that. So one of the best platforms in Nanikara. So in such kind of way, like we used attendance, payroll, then we had for appraisal and performance management, all those stuff in that. So during this time, we had like a lot of good experiences. Starts from attendance, like where we had geographic fencing and we had IP address who can like log in பண்றதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே we had used that. So one of the best experience on the other end we have payroll as well. So from attendance like without any issues we have been fetching from attendance to payroll and everything was seamless. So in the time we have been very happy to associate with Zoho, and the person who have been guiding from the day one of Zoho people and payroll, like Ms. Soumya from ITK, great thanks to ITK Solutions as well. Thank you so much.